What's up, guys? Luke Olsen here. Got my bros, Peyton and Lincoln. We're about to explore this boat that's been, I don't know,
for like 5 years.
That's a long time. Let's just get into the boat.
And afterwards, we might play hide and seek.
Yeah, which that could be true.
There's tadpoles in there.
And so we're not even gonna step on the tadpoles.
Of people when they get close to the water.
And we got into the boat.
Okay, Peyton, you can come next. The toilet is right under that piece of wood. Oh, geez, wasp. Get out.
Oh, we gotta get out now. All right, well, let's go. All right, we're getting out.
Okay, the wasp pipe actually is not old. Someone lied to me. Sorry. She said that thing.
Ow, my head.
I'm sorry. I can be the last one.
I'll see you guys in the next. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.